Okay, question 4. A town council are putting up a new visitor information board. They want it to be placed within the area shown, closer to the park than to the library, but also closer to the station than to the park. The diagram below shows a scale map of the town center, shading the region of the town where the board could be placed. Okay, first of all, they are talking about areas that has to be like that is closer to one place than to another. So the first step that we'll do, we'll find a line which is exactly equidistant between the park and the library. The park and the library, right? Park and the library. So for finding the line which is equidistant from these 2 points, we are going to find the to bisect, or to find perpendicular bisector between these 2 points. Okay, so how we are going to do it? We're going to draw 2 arcs, okay, somewhere here. It doesn't matter what radius we're going to use, but it has to be the same radius for all drawings to find this equidistant line. Okay, so I'm going to draw 1 arc here and another arc there, right? So there, and then 1 more arc of the same radius for park and library, right? So that gives us a line where each point is equidistant from library and park. We are interested in the area which is closer to the park than to the library. So all this will be closer to the park, right? All these points, all this area. But we also need to find a line where all points will be equidistant from the station and the park. Okay, park and station. All right, so we need to find the line with all points that are equidistant. Okay, so I'm going to draw again arcs. It doesn't matter what radius I'm going to use. Okay, for example, like this. Alright, I'm going to draw 1 arc and then another, and then the same radius I should use from park. Here is 1, okay, and that is another. Alright, so now everything that I need to do is I need to join these 2 points together, okay, and I've got a line that shows all the points on this line will be equidistant from station and the park. We need the point that's closer to the station than to the park. So all points on the left here, on, or like not on the left, yeah, on the left from this line will be closer to the station. So the points that will satisfy to both of these conditions at the same time are here, and we need to shade this region, right? So it is very, very small triangle. Check that all points in this region are closer to the park than to the library, and they're also closer to the station than to the park. So that's the end of the question.